It's Ashley and Marissa from the Coastal Bend Blood Center.
This is Stan over here at Certified Collision Works. I want to take some time to thank all the business owners that donated to this. I mean, this is like an amazing event to give back to the community, and some of the businesses were Gary Insurance Group, Jack, he made a cash donation. We had Buddy's Home Furniture, they also made a cash donation. We had Bay Auto Service, Jason, he made a cash donation. Butler Rental made a cash donation. Absolute Alarm just came, y'all met him. Mark, he was excited, he gave a cash donation. Mystic Entertainment, Darren Gonzalez, he's gonna be here in a bit, he's hosting the event. We have Twins Media, they're behind the scenes doing all this awesome work. And then Sylvia D for getting us on the radio this morning. And Anna, you wanna bring us the check? Oh, hold on real quick, you know what? I need to thank Anna, so she's gonna present these checks to these guys. What? But here's all the checks. All right. Make sure y'all host a blood event at your business. Help these people out. Let's help the community and let's make this happen.